Sometimes what you're fighting didn't start with you. A mother or father that drinks every night, rages, cheats, lies, numbs themselves, explodes, that behavior sets a template. Children don't just hear words, they absorb patterns. One child may copy it, another may fear it, another may rebel against it. Same fire, different burns. Addiction continues. Emotional volatility continues. Shame continues. Financial chaos continues. If no one interrupts the pattern, it continues. Not because you're cursed, not because something is hunting your bloodline, but because repetition becomes identity. Stress becomes personality. Trauma becomes normal. Dysfunction becomes culture. Until someone says it stops here. Your parents may have started the fire, but you decide whether to keep it burning. You're not responsible for what shaped you. You're responsible for what you carry forward. The moment you develop awareness, discipline, emotional control, truth over comfort, the chain weakens. And when you heal what they couldn't, you don't just change your life, you change the direction of your lineage.